This video will give you instructions to get rid of online scary alerts that are associated with the site Coinforcoin.site. You can now clearly see these pop-ups, and sometimes they may unexpectedly appear in your browser without your participation. In fact, if you type the name of this website, Coinforcoin.site, and try to enter it, you will not succeed. The occurrence of such pop-up alerts may be the trace of certain adware type application to be enabled in your computer, or you could simply click on some hacked website, visit some infected resource in the internet, which could redirect you to this Coinforcoin.site. Nevertheless, Coinforcoin.site is a malicious resource in its nature, because it displays pretty scary messages that try to force you into downloading and installing certain software. By the way, this could be the decent software, but we definitely condemn such methods of promoting software because this is the typical online scam. As I said, Coinforcoin.site tries to force you into downloading certain software by displaying scary alerts. There may be some other variation of such pop-ups, and in all these cases they display pretty frustrating content to force you into downloading some software. So if you ever see these pop-ups by Coinforcoin.site, we recommend you to shut down this page and ignore its deceptive content. Of course, you could manually research your available programs and delete any applications that are suspicious. To make sure that your system is free of any other threats, I recommend you to scan your Windows computer with a combo cleaner by going to the page combocleaner.com, downloading the software, and then examining your system with this program to make sure it is free of any other hidden threats. How to use Combo Cleaner antivirus for fixing your Windows computer and browser-related problems. The program is initially in the trial mode. You may select the preferred scan type. However, remember that full scan or custom scan are only the parts of the premium version. There are some other good features in Combo Cleaner, like big files and duplicates checker. You may consider using these features. But if you want to get your PC fully fixed or at least inspected, consider the quick scan in the trial mode. So click on Start Scan button. The program will begin scanning your computer, and it will soon discover certain problems related to your available browsers or possibly related to the other issues with your Windows computer. Then the program at the end of scan will give you the full report about the current condition of your Windows computer and Windows related browsers. You may then get the clear image of what is going on with your computer, and you may consider upgrading to the premium version of the application to get all these troubles fixed and dealt with.